How to add a certificate to your LinkedIn profile. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to add professional certification to your LinkedIn profile using an Android or iOS device. So right now I'm using iOS, but if you're using Android you can follow similar steps because the app is the same on both of the devices. So what you're going to do is first of all open your LinkedIn account, and then you're going to click on your profile at the top left. So once you click on your profile, you're going to click on your profile once again. And once you do so, you will be redirected to your profile. So what you're going to do is click on add section over here. And then what you're going to do is click on recommended. And here you'll be able to see an option that says add licenses and certifications. So simply click on add licenses and certifications. Here you can write down the name of the organization. For example, I'm going to write such as English as a second language teacher, and then you're going to write down the issuing organization. For example, if it was Airbnb, and then you can write down the issue date of the certification, and then you can type down the expiration date of the certification. You can write down the specific credential ID that certification has. And then you can also type down the credential URL or that authentication proof, that the URL of the specific the website that has given you the certificate. And here you can also add some skills. For example, just click on add skills and like Apache Karaf or whatever is related to your skills. And then you can also upload media. If you have a physical document of the certification, you can picture that and post that over here. Click on add media and just do. And once you do so, you'll be able to see that you have successfully added a certificate over here. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.